Here are 10 fabulous winter flowering bulbs that can add beauty and color to your garden during the colder months. 1. Snowdrops, Galanthus. Snowdrops are delicate and charming bulbs that bloom in late winter. Often among the first flowers to appear, they feature small, white, bell-shaped flowers with green markings. 2. Winter aconite, Aranthus hyemales. Winter aconite is another early bloomer, producing bright yellow, cup-shaped flowers that emerge above a collar of green foliage. 3. Crocus, Crocus ep. Crocuses come in various colors, including purple, yellow, white, and striped varieties. They flower in late winter to early spring, forming a carpet of color. 4. Saffron crocus, Crocus sativus. This special crocus is known for producing saffron, the prized spice derived from its orange-red stigmas. It blooms in autumn or early winter. 5. Winter iris, Iris ungicularis, also known as Algerian iris or stippled iris. This plant produces stunning violet-blue flowers with yellow and white markings during winter. 6. Winter daffodil, Sternbergia. Winter daffodils, or autumn daffodils, are members of the Amaryllidaceae family and produce bright yellow flowers in fall or winter. 7. Christmas rose, Helleborus niger. Christmas rose is a beautiful evergreen perennial that produces white or pinkish flowers with a central cluster of yellow stamens in winter. 8. Lenten rose, Helleborus orientalis, another type of hellebore. The Lenten rose blooms from late winter to early spring, showcasing a range of colors from white to deep purple. 9. Glory of the snow, Chionodoxa. Glory of the snow is a lovely bulbous plant that produces star-shaped flowers in shades of blue, pink, or white, often blooming as early as late winter. 10. Winter hyacinth, Hyacinthus orientalis. Winter hyacinths are known for their highly fragrant, colorful blooms that appear in late winter to early spring. These winter flowering bulbs can be planted in the fall for a delightful display of colors and blooms during the colder months, bringing life and vibrancy to your garden during the winter season. Keep in mind that availability and specific varieties may vary depending on your location and local nurseries.